can I help you?
Oh, okay. Rude workers agitate my soul. Like, I don't know who's shitting in your cereal, but what you're not gonna do is go to work or come to work with an attitude. I always tell people, like, I don't know why when you go into other people's jobs, they're like, hi, how can I help you? And just mean it stink and nasty. Like, excuse me, if you don't like your job, go get another one. You're the one who applied to the job. You're the one who went to the job interview and got yourself hired. Why am I getting your nasty ass attitude? And I do understand that we all go through personal things, but I always tell people you have to separate personal and business. Because when I lost my grandmother in 2018, I could have been nasty as fuck. Like, I went to work the next day and I had to separate that. Like, we all go through things in life. You need to learn how to separate personal and business. Like, even recently, New Year's Eve, I went into a store. The lady there was real nice to one lady before me, and I come in, I'm like, hi. She's just like, I was like, oh, do you have da-da-da? She's like, no. Like, bitch, I should fucking call corporate on you with your rude stink ass. If you don't like your fucking job, quit. While you're working your job, look for another one and leave. Because I'm sick and tired of people having nasty ass fucking attitudes about their jobs. And I get that. Sometimes people can be like unmanageable. But when people come in and they're unmanageable, still you gotta handle it politely. Unless you really don't give a fuck about that job, then you can throw hands and go about your business. But don't give me your nasty ass attitude because you don't like your job or you're having a bad day. That sounds like a personal problem. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, like what you hear, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Hey, until next time. Until next time. Oh, and don't forget to hit that bell. That bell. That bell. What? Hit that bell. That bell. That bell. So you can get my notifications. Until next time. Oh, wait. Happy Friday, guys. I was going to say until next time.